home chefs! Today, I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite recipes for springtime, a gorgeous asparagus and Gruyère tart. It sounds a bit fancy, I know, but believe me, it's super simple, and everyone will love it. Alright, let's begin. First things first, get your oven warming up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab a sheet of puff pastry from the store. Yes, we're making this nice and easy. Roll it out just a little bit on a surface with some flour, then put it on a baking tray that's lined with parchment paper. Take a sharp knife and lightly cut a line about an inch from the edge, all around the pastry. But don't cut all the way through. This little trick will help make a lovely puffy crust. Then poke the middle part with a fork a few times so it doesn't get too puffy. Now for our yummy creamy part, spread a thin layer of crème fraîche over the pastry, staying inside that line you made. If you can't find crème fraîche, sour cream is a great swap. Sprinkle lots of shredded Gruyère cheese on top. Go on, don't be stingy. The more cheese, the tastier. Next up, lay your trimmed asparagus spears in a nice neat row on the cheese. I like to switch the direction of the tips to make it look extra pretty. Drizzle a little olive oil over them, and then add some salt and pepper, and just a tiny bit of fresh lemon zest. Okay, into the oven it goes. Bake your tart for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the pastry is a beautiful golden brown, and the cheese is all bubbly and melted. When it's done, let it cool for just a minute, then slice it up and serve it while it's warm. This tart is just perfect for a special breakfast, a light lunch, or even as an amazing starter for a dinner party. And voila! A fancy-looking asparagus Gruyère tart that's as easy to make as it is delicious. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching, and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you have not already, please subscribe.